Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another video. This time we have blue glam eye makeup look for you, and if you haven't watched our previous video, click right over here. So let's get started.
So I have already done my face. Now I'm going to take black cream eyeliner from this kit and I'm going to apply it all over my lid, so this will serve as a base for my eyeshadow. Now with the help of a buffing brush, I'm going to buff it out, and make sure to buff it out evenly so there are no harsh lines left. Now I'm going to take this dark blue shade from this palette and apply it all over my lid. Now with the help of same buffing brush, I'm going to blend out the edges. Take your time and make sure to blend out everything properly. Now with the help of a fluffy blending brush, I'm going all over the edges to make sure everything is blended out. Now on the same blending brush, I'm gonna take these two pink shades and blend out the edges. After that, I'm gonna take this shimmer and apply it on the center of my lid. After applying lashes, I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and apply the same pink shades on my lower lash line. Then I'll highlight my inner corner and brow bone area, and then I'm done.
That's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you did, please give it a like, comment and share it with your friends. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos.